YouTube keeps loading? Try these quick fixes. Close YouTube and other apps. First, completely close the YouTube app. Open the app switcher and close any other unnecessary apps running in the background as well. This frees up system resources and may fix temporary glitches causing YouTube to lag or buffer. Check for a YouTube update. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android. In the search bar, type YouTube. Check if an update is available. If you see an update button, tap it to install the latest version. Updating the app often fixes buffering, lagging, and playback issues. Delete the YouTube app updates. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Click on Apps. Then find and select YouTube. Scroll down and tap App Details. It will redirect to the Google Play Store. Now, click on the Uninstall option. This will delete the latest updates. Once that's complete, tap Update to install the latest version again. This reinstalls the app while clearing temporary files and cached data, which can help resolve performance issues. Check your internet speed. Open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type Speed Test. Run the internet speed test and wait for the results. Pay attention to your download speed, as this affects how quickly YouTube videos load. For smooth video playback, you generally need an internet speed of around 10 to 20 megabits per second or higher. If your internet speed is much lower than that, your connection may be causing the buffering or lagging. Check if YouTube is down. Open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type "Is YouTube down?" Open Down Detector or another reliable outage checking service. Look for a sudden spike in user-reported problems, and you'll need to wait until the service is restored. Turn on airplane mode. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Turn airplane mode on. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn airplane mode off. Make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data reconnects properly. Once you're connected, open YouTube again. Play a video and check if the buffering or loading issue is fixed. If YouTube is still not working properly, restart your device. Press and hold the side or power button. When the power menu appears, tap Restart. Wait for your device to completely restart. Once it turns back on, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Open the YouTube app again. Check if the lagging or buffering issue has been fixed. Hopefully, one of these solutions got YouTube working smoothly again. And that's it.